Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. In today's quick video, it's all about a fall countertop vignette. And today, I'm showing you how I styled one of my kitchen countertops in a cute fall wine vignette. So here, you'll see I've cleared and cleaned my kitchen countertop and brought back in my cutting boards. Next, do you guys remember that cute little wine rack that I thrifted from a local Nashville Goodwill? Well, here it is again. So I filled it with an assortment of wines and added some fall foliage. Then I added a rustic vase of leaf foliage in the left-hand corner and a small marble and wood cutting board that you've seen before on the right. I then added a beautiful wooden board full of corkscrews, and I had to add a touch of greenery. Although it's a small touch, I still had to put a little bit of greenery in this video. So then I added my little monogram pumpkin, and to complete the look, I placed my Olivia Pope wine glasses that we purchased from Crate and Barrel, my monogram wine stopper that I purchased from Old Time Pottery, and I placed it in like a little shot glass just to hold it so you could see that it was monogrammed. And then I put one of our favorite bottles of wine from the Chrysalis Winery and Vineyard in Middleburg, Virginia, the Sarah Patio Red. We picked this bottle up about 5 or 6 years ago when we were up visiting my brother and sister-in-law. So now I'll let you enjoy a closer look to music. So guests, I hope you've enjoyed seeing this beautiful fall countertop wine vignette. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. If this is your first visit, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for stopping by, and I appreciate your love and support. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for watching The Rodgers House.